Hey guys, Sportshot here, and I have hacks for Krunker 1.19. So I'm just going to do a tutorial on how to get them, and if you want more videos like this, remember to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can stay up to date. Anyways, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so to get the hacks, first thing you have to do is download this thing called Tampermonkey. So you just want to search it in the Google Chrome store, go to Google Chrome, and then add the extension. I will have a link to the official website in the description below. I already have Tampermonkey, so I'm not going to be downloading it right now. So once you have that, what you want to do next is go to Greasy Fork, and I'm going to go to the script source hack, which they just updated for 1.1.9. I'm going to install. Make sure you click install the second time, and then you want to go up to this button here, go to dashboard, and then you'll see it has script source right there enabled. So I'm gonna go to krunker.io. The first time you go to Krunker with the hacks enabled, you're gonna get this page. Make sure you always click always allow. If you don't, then you might have to restart the process. So I'm gonna click always allow here, and we're in the game now. Now I'm just gonna say the simple controls right now. I is for the extra player info, T is to toggle in between aimbot, and B is to turn off bunny hop. Now I don't suggest using anything that's automatic. I suggest using either semi-automatic or snipers. So I'm gonna do one with the sniper and one with the marksman. So yeah, you can just roll around like this. Okay, I'm gonna wait for another game just to show you the hack. Okay, we're here on Sub-Zero, and I'm gonna roll into mid with the hack on. Boom, instant kill. There's a guy coming up through here. Cool. As you can see, I have the... Actually, no, I don't have the highest KDR, but I have one of them. So I'm gonna roll around this corner here. Get that shot. Boom. And I'm just gonna flank around here. Boom, got him. Got him. And yeah, that's about it. So if you liked the video, then like the video. If you didn't like it, then you know what to do. Please remember to subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified of future content like this.